So hi guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa loob ng Isla Fish and as you can see, marami tayong mga selection ng fish dito. Right now, naghahanap tayo ng octopus and isa ito sa mga best seller nila dito sa ating market na gagamitin natin at i-grill natin mamaya. Allora io prendo un polpo. Questo, vero? Sì. Okay, so ito na yung pinamili natin today. It's time to pay. Okay, grazie. Ciao. Grazie mille. Ciao. Ciao. So let's go to cook this. See you guys. Hi guys, welcome sa mga kwentang pagkain. This is Chef Morris once again. And today, I'm gonna show you my version of Filipino iconic sisig. This is one of my favorites back then. It reminds me of one of my favorite ingredient in the Philippines, which is yung calamansi. Iba-iba ang naibibigay na acidity ng calamansi, especially sa sisig dish. So we've got the Mediterranean octopus right here. Let's clean up the head and the tentacles with some running water. And we will take off this kind of the beak of the octopus. Let's prepare 1 pot of water. Let's wait for the water to boil and then we can cook our octopus. Lemon, all right? Let's cut it into half. And we gotta put it here sa ating water. So what we're doing is we're just kind of infusing our water with some herbs. So I've got a clove of garlic. We're trying to infuse our water para mamaya later on nandun na yung lasa ng ating condiment sa ating water, which doon natin iboboil yung ating polpo. Alright? After waiting for 10 minutes, it's time to cook our octopus. Hindi natin siya ilulubog bigla-bigla. So dahan-dahan natin siya ilulubog. And we will introduce the heat slowly to our octopus. We don't want to cook it too fast kasi magiging gonna be like a rubber. After 10 minutes of simmering, now let's take one bowl and we're going to cool down our octopus. Let's put it in one bowl. With the cooking process that we did, as you can see, we have this beautifully done octopus. You can see the color of the skin is really nice and hindi nasira yung ating skin kasi dahan-dahan natin siya niluto. While our octopus is cooling down, let's prepare our turmeric mayonnaise. We've got our ready mayonnaise. So let's add about 1 tablespoon of turmeric. Just want to melt the turmeric and let the color be bright. It's really nice in consistency. It's not too thick and it's not too thin, right? I want this very creamy and nice mayonnaise. Look at that color. It's really good. Perhaps you don't know that actually sisig is more of a salad. So that's why right now we're going to prepare our dressing for the octopus later on. So if you're like me, you live abroad and outside of the Philippines, you don't have much access to some ingredients like calamansi. You can either use some lemon or vinegar, or you can also use Mamacita's Toyot Calamansi, which is already complete and it's well seasoned with soy sauce and calamansi. You can use some lemon juice, lime juice, vinegar, but for me, wala talagang tatalo sa sarap na naibibigay ng calamansi. I want our sisig to be a little bit peppery. Add 1 clove of garlic. It will give a really nice freshness to our sisig. Let's cut our onion. For the cake, I am going to use Mamacita siling labuyo. Yung spiciness na naibibigay ng siling labuyo ay it's warm, but it's not overpowering. It's mild. That's why I really love it. It's now ready to pan grill our octopus. If you have grill outside, it would be better, but if you're gonna do it at home, it's also okay with our pan. Let's slice our octopus. The outside part should be crunchy and soft inside. Then let's slice our octopus into bite size. What makes sisig really stand out is its unique tang from the calamansi. Alam naman natin na ang calamansi ay mayroong really unique acidity. Talaga namang hindi mo makikita sa ibang ingredients. It doesn't seem complete without it. We're going to toast our bread. I'm going to use panino, but you can use any kind of bread that you have at home. Even though we used some different ingredients, the dish was really good, guys. The octopus was cooked to perfection. Of course, yung ating turmeric mayonnaise really cleans up our palate. Thank you for joining me. Discover and demystify Filipino food one dish at a time. Watch out for more Filipino recipes and kwentong pagkain coming your way. This is Chef Danzen saying, God bless you guys. Happy cooking, everyone.